Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we are at beautiful Ingleby Cross in North Yorkshire. So without any further ado, let's have a flaunch around and have a look at some of these gorgeous cars. Check the roller out. The Rolls-Royce Brigade. We'll scoot around this quite quick and then we'll go back to the ones I really like. As you can see here, it's a really full shot. That one's nice.
I was going to say, when I was in the country, there was a guy in Gisborough that worked in the boiler shop. I worked at Cardiff.
It's a stag, guys.
Oh, then you're right.
How you doing? Feels nearly full. Wow, what a turnout. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Rover 3.5 in that, no doubt. Bit back. That's nice. As you guys can see, it's chock-a-block. Is that for 6? It's the Stag, still for sale. I really like this 240Z. Some bikes here as well.
There's a one next week. The thing is,
no, I've seen it. He said me. Yes.
It's a nice bike.
Yeah.
Right guys, check this 911 out. It's probably one of the best cars here. It's one of my favourites. It's killer cool. The size of those tyres. Yes, this for sure is probably one of the coolest 911s. That's killer cool. Love it.
yeah. But yeah, we're all there. We're just they're enjoying themselves. At least health is still good. I mean, thankfully no problems. So yeah, and chance to really save besides. I think Mum might have a.
Should be quite rapid. He's just going to start this up, guys. Stingray. That's killer cool as well. I like these. That's killer cool. Just look at the shape of it. That's killer cool. Check this XK140 out, guys. It's absolutely mint, and the bright colour. It's so dark, that green, it's like a blacky green. Look at that, absolutely beautiful car. Love that as well, that's killer cool. Well guys, that's the end of the show. It's been awesome, perfect weather, nice and calm, not too sunny. So if you're over at North Yorkshire and you fancy coming to Ingleby Cross, get yourself here next year. It's a really good show in beautiful surroundings, as you can see. So anyway, on that note, see you tomorrow.